What happens when an ancient ice fortress begins to vanish before our very eyes? In Glacier National Park, the rapid melt of its iconic ice fields has sent shockwaves through the local ecosystem. Streams once fed by steady glacial runoff have transformed into turbulent torrents during springtime, leading to increased erosion and sediment deposition downstream. This sudden change has disrupted the spawning grounds for native fish species like the bull trout, which depend on clear, cold waters. Meanwhile, alpine meadows once blanketed by snow have become exposed earlier, causing wildflowers to bloom out of sync with the emergence of pollinators. The cascading effects of these disruptions offer a haunting glimpse into the intricate balance of nature, and what's at stake as our planet warms.